The EU Polar Cluster is a network of collaborative polar projects funded by the European Commission and 3 permanent members, the EPB, APECS and SIOS. The EU Polar Cluster merges a broad spectrum of research and coordination activities, ranging from the most up-to-date findings on permafrost and sea ice, from enhancing observation to improving predictions, and from networking research stations to coordinating access to icebreakers. The Polar Cluster also provides guidance and policy-relevant information, responding to the impacts of climate change on the Arctic and Antarctic's fragile environments. The EU Polar Cluster objectives are creating synergies between the EU Polar Cluster members to maximize impact and visibility of European polar research, increase sharing of knowledge among the polar research community, creating joint activities, including in the areas of communication, policy advice, stakeholder engagement, observations, data management and education. Promoting sustainable development by cooperating with policymakers, indigenous peoples and local communities, business and NGO representatives, and other societal actors. The EU Polar Cluster cooperates with ESA Science Polar Cluster to pool resources and maximize scientific outcomes. Their ongoing dialogue is crucial for utilizing current resources and designing future ones.